What if I told you an AI could hack your password faster than you can say password 123? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Imagine AI as a supercharged lockpicker, but instead of doors, it cracks digital codes. Old school hackers typed lines of code for hours. But AI? It learns patterns, millions of them, like recognizing common passwords or how people create them. It's like training a dog, but this dog learns every trick in the book in seconds. AI doesn't guess randomly. It predicts what you're likely to use based on what millions of people already did. In 2023, a group tested an AI called PassGAN. It wasn't programmed to hack passwords. It learned how. By studying billions of leaked passwords from data breaches, it could predict real passwords like I love you or summer 2020 in minutes. In fact, it cracked over 50% of passwords in less than 1 minute. Let that sink in. 1 minute. If your password is common, AI can guess it faster than you can grab coffee. You might think, well, my password is fine. But let's be real. Most people use names, birthdays, pets, or 123,456. That's like using a paper lock on a steel door. AI doesn't care how smart you are. It knows the patterns humans follow. The more predictable you are, the easier you are to hack. And it's not just passwords. AI can now mimic voices, faces, even writing styles, all to trick you. The real danger isn't hackers. It's how predictable humans are to AI. Good news. AI isn't magic. It has limits. It struggles with passwords that are long, random, and unique. AI hates this. It's like throwing flour into a pan and expecting it to turn into a cake. It won't happen. Additionally, tools like two-factor authentication can protect you. AI can't guess a code sent to your phone. Yet, AI is strong, but good habits make you stronger. Here's the truth. AI isn't coming to hack you. It's already here. But the best defense isn't fear. It's knowledge. So, next time you type a password, ask yourself, are you locking the door? Or just pretending to? Stay smart. Stay safe. This is NetDecoded. See you in the next one.